Hello friends, welcome back to the Hindi tutorials. Today we will start the first lesson of Hindi with the first set of the most common and basic words. But before starting, I would like to tell you that what we are going to learn is not the standard Hindi. It is rather a mixture of two languages called Hindi and Urdu. Officially, Hindi and Urdu are recognized as separate languages, but in reality they are spoken together. If you want to call this language by one name, it is called Hindustani Language, and it is spoken in the whole North India and Pakistan. You can read more about it on the link that is given in the video description. Okay, now let's return to our topic. So we are headed towards the first set of words. The first word that I'm gonna tell is namaste, pronounced na-mas-te, with a soft T like in Italian or Spanish. Namaste.
नमस्ते। मोहन राव जी का घर यही है ना?
Namaste is a formal greeting that is usually said to parents, elders, relatives, or strangers. But between friends or people of similar age or siblings, you never use namaste. So it's a totally formal greeting. And the next phrase is theek hai. But usually the native people speak it like it's a single word. theek hai yaar. So when you say theek hai, it means okay. Okay. Now onwards I will be saying theek hai instead of okay. ठीक है? ठीक है.
जीतू बोलो काफी है।
काफी है तो ठीक है।
तुम कौन हो?
बांडिया।
The next two words are dhanyavad and shukriya. Note that here I have used single A and here I have used double A. So these two are elongated sounds. This is dhanyavad and this is shukriya. Both the words have the same meaning, which is thank you. Moving ahead, the next word is ab. Just pronounce kab and remove C from it. So it's ab, which means now. The next word is samajh gaye. ठीक है? समझ गए, which means did you understand? Did you understand or did you get that? The next word is haan. The N is not pronounced completely, it's only a nasal vowel. So we say haan. And if you want to say with more respect, you can say hanji. ठीक है? And it means yes. समझ गए? Now the next is nahi. Nahi means no.
अभी से पसीना छूट गया।
नहीं, पसीना नहीं, लेकिन अगर कुछ और छूट गया तो उसे
सच नहीं, मुझे तुम पर बिल्कुल भरोसा नहीं है। अगर मैं
And the last word is आज. ठीक है? आज, which means today. I don't want to stress you up with a lot of words all of a sudden. We'll see some more words in the next part of this lesson. I'm going to use these words very frequently in the videos so that you get accustomed with these words without making a lot of effort. ठीक है? शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद, बाय बाय, फिर मिलेंगे.